Let me show you how juicy and soft this honey heart is. And I forget the text. Measure 400 milliliters or 2 full cups of any mineral water. Then pour the water into the bowl where we'll make the cake. Using the same cup, measure 1 full cup of oil and pour it in. Add 1 full teaspoon of baking soda, 1 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Then measure 1.5 cups of sugar. That's 300 grams if anyone wants to measure by weight. Next, measure the flour. We need 400 grams or 3 full cups. Add 1 tablespoon of apricot jam. Now mix everything until smooth and the cake preparation is almost done. When everything binds well, the batter is ready. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Grease a 35 by 25 centimeters pan with oil on the bottom and sides. Then sprinkle with flour. Spread the flour evenly. Pour the entire cake batter into the pan. Let the cake sit while the oven heats up. Just enough time for the baking soda to activate. Bake the cake at a higher temperature to retain its juiciness. The lower the temperature, the longer the cake bakes and more water evaporates. While the cake bakes, you'll notice small bubbles on the surface. That's a good sign. Put the cake in to bake. The cake is baked. I baked it for 20 to 25 minutes. Adjust the time for your oven, but closer to 25 minutes. See how soft the cake is to the touch. Very, very soft. Now we'll spread apricot jam on top. The apricot jam should be a bit runny. If you have store-bought marmalade, you can use that too, but it's usually thicker. Then heat it up so it loosens up. If it doesn't loosen, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water and then heat it. You'll need about 4 or 5 tablespoons. After spreading, let the cake cool so the jam sets a bit. Meanwhile, melt 100 grams of cocoa cream with 2 tablespoons of oil. Let it cool slightly, then mix with the oil before pouring it over the cake. Look how nice it looks. I'll get all messy now. I have to show you. See how nice, soft and spongy it is.